If you grew up in the 90s, you know what these are. These are the discontinued altoids that for some reason disappeared. Not sure why, because everybody loves them. And in case you didn't know, they're back. Oh my God! I still don't remember them, but I remember that they did look like this, and I remember them being in my mouth. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. I don't remember these. I don't think I have these ones, but they're good. It tastes like lemonade. Mango! Ooh, the sour's so good. That legitimately tastes real. And last but not least, the best for last. These remind me of my dad. He always had these, specifically the tangerine, and this is what I've been waiting for a very long time. They're more orange than I remember. I don't remember them being this vibrant. It tastes exactly the same. Oh my God, I'm like emotional.